Silver has been making headlines lately after a noticeable surge in its global price. But what's really behind this rise? And why do some analysts believe this could be the beginning of a new wave, similar to what happened in 2011? Here's the story in a simple, focused breakdown. Silver has a dual personality. It's both a precious metal for investors and a critical industrial material. When these two roles overlap, silver starts behaving differently from gold, usually with stronger and faster price movements. Right now, four main forces are driving this rally. First, monetary policy and falling real interest rates. Central banks, especially the U.S. Federal Reserve, are signaling a shift toward easier monetary policy. With expectations of rate cuts ahead, money tends to flow toward precious metals, which don't rely on fixed interest returns. Silver benefits even more because it's cheaper than gold and attracts traders looking for quick moves. Second, a surge in industrial demand. Silver is the backbone of major industries: solar panels, electronics, medical devices, and electric vehicles. The growth of renewable energy, particularly solar power, has pushed silver demand to record levels. Solar companies now consume massive amounts, tightening the global supply even further. Third, a clear supply deficit. Multiple international reports confirm a structural deficit, meaning global demand for silver has been higher than global production for several consecutive years. And here's the twist. Most silver isn't mined directly. It's produced as a byproduct of other metals, which means mining companies can't simply increase silver output on demand. This makes any rise in demand push prices up quickly. Fourth, investment demand and speculative pressure. With rising geopolitical tensions and a weakening U.S. dollar, investors are turning to silver as a hedge. Financial platforms have reported unusual buying activity from retail investors and smaller funds. Some analysts believe a mild silver squeeze may already be forming due to low available inventories. When you combine all these factors, lower interest rates, stronger industrial demand, a structural supply deficit, and rising investor appetite, you get the perfect environment for a sustained price rally. Silver is more volatile than gold, which means swings can be sharp in both directions. But many analysts argue this current rise isn't just a temporary spike. It may be part of a larger trend that continues in the coming months, especially as renewable energy industries expand worldwide. That's why silver has suddenly captured global attention and why its upward momentum may not be over yet.